Hello everyone, my name is Vishnu. I am recently graduated from Sri Venkateswara Engineering College Tirupati 2024 batch. After completion of my BTech, I have been searching a lot of institute to join main full stack. So one fine day I came to Elearn Infotech Institute and contacted their team. Like their team told that overall course duration will be 5 to 6 months, offering with a 5 to 8 real-time projects. And after the completion of course, there will be a guarantee placement assistance also. Like here coming to classes, there will be both online and offline trainings. The trainers in the institute are the real-time experts having more than 8 to 10 years in the IT industry. The trainers will teach the concepts in a simple way, which will be understood by each and everyone. Like the trainers will build a confident student that after the completion of the course, each and every student can crack the job. Like after completion of my course, the HR team will be ready for sending students to the interview. Like after completion of my course, the HR team nearly sent 2 to 3 interviews. At the third interview, I cracked the job. Company name called 𝐸𝐸. Actually, it is a product-based company. Whenever I feel low or sad for not getting the job, the HR man will try to motivate. Like if one company doesn't work, then we will try another company. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, my HR team. Like if anyone wants to join main full stack course or UI development or Python full stack or Java full stack, I would definitely suggest Elearn Infotech. Last but not least, I am forever grateful and gratitude to the Elearn Infotech Institute and my mentors. Thank you.